Pleading, Chief Justice, I'm pleading on behalf of the 4 commissioners. I plead. They have had very, very little time in this court. I plead.
Well, that is why I was looking at you with the questioning eye, because
Yes.
there are some questions also which were asked, and they need to be responded to.
Yes, those are the ones. I'm just pleading.
Yes.
Allow my colleague Mansu Issa some 8 minutes, and Dr. Arroa some 3 minutes, and yours truly some 2 minutes only.
That is 15 minutes.
Because
to answer those questions.
Because, Chief Justice,
Yes.
those questions directed at those 4 commissioners are very important. And
Thank
when
you.
others were answering questions,
Yeah.
a lot of maligning, a lot of... Please give them that opportunity to have their case stated. They are the
Okay.
majority in that commission.
Thank you, Senior Counsel. I
thank
think we've heard your plea because we asked questions. So we'll give them 15 minutes to answer, not now. We want to take a break.